Hello everyone. Today I am coming up with this explanation video of today's Leetcode challenge, that is count of matches in a tournament. So quickly first let's understand the problem. So let's read out the statement and try to understand that what is this problem trying to ask. So you are given an integer n, the number of items in a tournament that has strange rules. So we have given an integer n, that is, this n is the number of teams in a tournament, and that has strange rules. So let's read about these strange rules, how strange these are. If the current number of teams is even, each team gets paired with another team. So let's try to quickly uh, let's create notes for these statements. So if we have even number of teams, then each team gets paired with another team. Okay, a total of n by 2 matches are played, and n by 2 teams advance to the next round. So matches, we can say when it is even, though in that case matches will happen, that number divided by 2. And the second point will be, and how many of teams will advance, and then advancement will happen for n by 2 teams. So exactly, suppose we have 7 teams, suppose we have 6 teams in this case, then 3 teams going to 3 matches will happen, and out of those 3 matches we have 3 winners simply, and 3 winners, those 3 winners will advance to the next round. And then comes the second rule. Then if odd, then we will have one teams is odd, one team randomly advances in the tournament and the rest gets paired. Okay, so a total of n minus 1 divided by 2 matches are played, and n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 teams advance to the next round. So we will carry forward with the same example, that is 6. So out of the 6, 3 advances and 3 lost, and total 3 matches happen. So suppose example is 6. Suppose let's see right here, example it was 6, and total 3 of matches were happen, and 3 got advanced to the next round. In the same case, now we have 3 teams, so that is an odd number, 3 teams. Okay, and matches will be now happen, how much matches? Only n minus 1 by 2. So 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 2 by 2, that is 1. So only one match will happen. So let me write out the formula for this. N minus 1 by 2 matches will happen. So that is our only one match will happen. And how many team will advance? So one team will be automatically advanced, and one team will come out of this one match. So we will have, pardon me, sorry, I am getting some cold. So n minus 1 divided by 2 and plus 1 teams will advance. So that is our 2 teams will come to the then final round. And now again it is even. So how much matches will happen? Only one match will happen between these 2 teams, and one team will advance. So number of matches will happen, that is 3 plus 1, 4, and one match that will happen in these 2 teams. So total of 5 matches will happen. Total will be, what is n total? Okay, matches total. You can see that. So first 3, then plus 1, then plus 1. Okay, so total of 5 matches will happen. So it's pretty simple. It's a very easy problem. So first, let me code it out, then I will explain that code. So I'm going to take one integer that is total matches. Okay, I'll explain along. That will be better. That is 0 initially. Okay, then I'm going to run a while loop because we don't know how big this number will be and until when we have to run. When the n is greater than 1, when the teens are greater than 1, till then we have to run this loop. Okay, fine. Now we have got some situations. Situation number 1, that is if our n is even, our n is even, then what will happen? Then we are going to have something like, let's take one local integer here that will be uh, how many matches will happen when the n is even or odd. So let's say temp match. Okay, and that is going to be 0 also. So in this case, when the n is even, how many matches will happen? So temp match that we know is going to be n by 2. It's very simple, n by 2. And if the n by 2 will happen, then we have to decrease this n also. So now n will be what? Temp match, because, or we can say n by 2, whatever it is. Let's be clear, it is n by 2, not to confuse with that. And about this temp match is going to add into this total matches again, whether it is even or odd. So let's take the otherwise condition. Then our temp matches will be, let's copy out this, and this is going to be n minus 1. Okay, fine. And now we know the number of matches plus 1, because n minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will going to be the n. So I will not confuse you with that. I am just simply copy this and update our n as with this and plus 1. Pretty simple, right? And our total matches will be total matches will be plus equals. So at the same time, it will add to this, the previous value of this plus equal temp match, right? Fine. I think pretty clear till now. And this is how this loop will run. It will keep decrementing. And as soon as we have n equals 1, it means we have added all the matches. Then we can finally peacefully return our total matches, right? Total matches. And this is it. This is it. That's it. So let's try to run this, whether I have made any syntactical error, it is getting compiled or not. Okay, so I have put this equal 2 times. Pretty silly mistake. Now let's try. And this has got accepted. Now let me try to submit it. And it has got accepted. And it is quite good. Fast solution. So this is it about this question. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends who like to uh, solve problems on such coding platforms. I'll be keep coming with more videos if I have any scope of improvement. I know there is a lot of things which I have to improve because this is my first video. I'll improve myself. I'll be coming with some more interesting problems in the upcoming time. Till then, keep loving me, supporting me, and keep growing in your career. All the best from my side.